Hello remote workers, welcome back to the channel. Today I have this worldwide remote company. So company name is Humanatic. So this is about review calls and get paid. It's about to monitor calls. So you don't have to translate the calls and anything. Let me show you actually. As you can see on your screen, review call and get paid. This is worldwide. You can work from anywhere. They said listen to recorded phone call, answer a simple question with the click of a button, and earn real money. So you can sign up for free. So signing up is free and you can work from anywhere. Also, you can work at your own schedule. So you can see the company name is Humanitic, and they said, have you ever called a company and here the operator says this call is being recorded? Well, that is about them, okay? They help their client to review their calls. Also, they help their client with valuable data to improve customer service and sales. That is all about, and you will not required to be on the call. Reason why you have to join their company, they said it's freedom. You can work from anywhere. Also, you can work at your own schedule, okay? They said create your own schedule and make as little as much as you choose. When is your first start, you give access to your two easiest category of calls. As you advance, you will unlock new categories which will provide more opportunity to earn, which means they have different categories of calls. There is maybe senior calls or other calls, but also there is any startup, I can say entry level calls that you can monitor. Okay, Humanitic is a free and simple. They will not charge you anything. Also, they will pay you weekly. They say you don't have to make or receive a phone call. You don't have to have a live conversation. You don't have to be a third party during a live conversation. Also, you don't have to transcribe conversation for every calls you listen to. What you're gonna do is just click the button. That's it. It means you have started to monitor the call. That's it. Okay, so they said they have over than 150,000 users around the world. Just like you can use this website to earn money. So they said our users are made up for people for all walks of life who are logging on every day to earn money from their computer, from their tablet, from their phone. You can earn money through your tablet, through your phone, through your computer as well. Alright, so if you're interested, just click here. You see the easiest way to log in. First, you have to verify PayPal account. That is first step. Verify PayPal account. Alright, they say we want you to be a part of their team. They say being a registered process, please click the connect with PayPal button below. You will be taken to paypal.com to log in and confirm that you have verified PayPal address. If you don't have PayPal address account, you will need to create one. Alright, so they say in order to join Humanity, you must have a valid verified PayPal account. So you have to click here and verify account. Your personal banking details shared with PayPal remain private, and also they will not share with anyone, okay, which is connected to PayPal will not even be shared with Humanitic. So they said join their team. They have over 40,000 plus and they are very growing very fast. And also start receiving calls, start earning money, start earning cash. Okay, guys, I think everything is clear. If you can go to frequent asked question, there are some questions that normally people ask. What is Humanitic? You can click here. You can read through about this company, understand the company. Yes, it's about calls and everything. You have to click the button to receive the call and then monitor the call. Remember, you will not need to transcribe any call, okay? Yes, go back to the question. They say, how do I apply to this Humanitic? In order to join this Humanitic, you have to have valid verified PayPal account, verification proof that a person is who they are saying they are. Okay, that's it. And then discreet, confident of willingness to do business with them. If you do not have PayPal account, of course you have to create a one and then click here to get started. That's it. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, this is this humanity free? Yes, it is absolutely free. Yes, I'm required to review calls during a certain hours. They said you are not required to review calls during certain hours. You will log in and review calls as little as much you would like, okay, at your own availability, okay. Our largest volume of calls will be available during this hour, okay, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the US, okay. Yes, can I have more than one account? They say operation or maintenance of more than one account is strictly one account is strictly prohibited because of negative impact that it can result, okay. So you are only allowed to have only one account. So there is a question about payment. What is PayPal? How can I verify this PayPal? How do I get paid? Once you will see all the questions, they say about the payment, we require that you make minimum $10. As much as you have your $10 on your account, then you will get paid, okay. So this is a good job, guys, because they will not request you to have certain amount of money. Of course, $10 is amount of money, but it's not much as maybe $500, okay. If you have $10 in your account, you will withdraw $10 on your PayPal account, and then that's it. All right, so they say we process payment every Thursday. All payment might be requested by Wednesday, 12 p.m. All right, this is how you will request the payment, and then they process their payment on Thursday. On Wednesday, will not process until the following pay period. The only PayPal requests allowed per pay period. All right. Why can't I access my account? If you can't access an account, you will get help from there. Okay, guys, this is opportunity that I wanted to share with you. Remember, this is worldwide. Regardless which continent you are, regardless which country you are, you can even have your own full-time job with this company and have maybe in the weekend after work, start earning money. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet to the next video. Remember, I post job almost every single day. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. Bye bye.